Very good evening to all of you. Myself Drishti Panjwani, and by profession I am a teacher. So I just want to tell you about the basic thing about the grammar. Many of the people are telling me ki what is a grammar. Ma'am, can you explain us what is a grammar? I'll just want to tell you first of all what is a grammar. Do you know grammar? We are using this. It is the rules of a language. Language means what the language which we are speaking over here, like English, Hindi, Marathi. So these three languages are having a grammar. So in each and every language there is a grammar. Suppose if we are forming a words or we are joining words together in the sentences. Suppose if I am telling you come here, these are the two words, but these two words are joining and I mean to say they are telling to come here. They are giving you a message to come over here. I am feeling good, but she is not feeling well. Now here I have used the words but. So but is another word which is joining together in the sentences, as it is showing over here. For forming the words or joining the words together in these sentences, it is known as basically grammar. So next one is the good vocabulary. What is the meaning of vocabulary? Can anyone will tell me what is the meaning of vocabulary? Vocabulary means whatever we are talking, whatever we are reading, whatever we are speaking. This is known as a good vocabulary. As you just keep on reading the books, as you just keep on speaking, you will come to know about your vocabulary, how you are talking, how is the language skill, how is your pronunciation. This is all about grammar information. Okay, now let's move ahead. So now we'll start with the basic question like this: how to start a basic grammar. This is very important. How to start a basic grammar. So now the what is the meaning of basic grammar? You know what is the meaning of a grammar. I have made you understand the meaning of a grammar. Now I will tell you the meaning of how to start a basic grammar. For the basic grammar you have to learn many words, many words as you can. Means see, a single alphabet is forming a many words. If we are reading A to Z, if we are learning A to Z, from A we are forming many words: all, are, again, accept, advise, adventure, adjustment. So this like if we are forming a words from the alphabets, so from this only you will come to know how many words we are forming from a single alphabet. Got it? So learn many words as you can. Now next is it talk to the people. Keep on talking with the people. Means if you are not able to speak, then it won't be able to practice the grammar very well. You should keep on speaking with the people, whatever the language. If you are comfortable, if you're comfortable with the Hindi, you can talk in Hindi. If you're comfortable with the Marathi, you can talk in Marathi. And if you're comfortable with the English, that's very good. You should keep on talking with the English so that you can improve your language as well as your grammar. Okay, now watch and learn. Watch and learn means what? You have to keep on, not like this ki we are watching in the blackboard and we are learning. Yes, this is also an example, but if you are trying to read very good books, that is very good. So keep on watching, keep on learning. Even in the TV there are some movies coming there which they are having the letters below written over in English. You can also read them. This is also known as a tactic of watch and learn. Now next week the ask for the corrections. Keep on asking the correction. If your pronunciation is wrong, no problem na. Many of the students are not able to speak, they are speaking very wrong words. So not an issue. If you won't try, you won't succeed. Okay, so keep on trying. I will tell you the one example. Suppose if I am telling you go and bring a bread from the market. If I am telling you go and bring the bread from the market, so how will you reply me? You will reply me like this: yes, surely I will go. But what the other, if other people, I will tell you regarding those who can't speak the grammar or those who can't speak the English, how they are telling, you know, They are feeling shy to speak, but still they have to speak. How they are speaking? Yes, I will. I go and bring bread. I go and bring bread. See, the speak what the person has spoken. I go and bring the bread, but they have not spoken. I will go and bring the bread. So this is what the corrections you have to do. I am eating food. I eat food. I eat food. I am eating food. I drink water. I am drinking water. Nowadays, Hindi English common is going on. So, this is your first basic step up of the grammar. Now, wait for my second video. Soon we'll come to know about the basic techniques of the grammar. Keep on learning. Keep on commenting. Have a good day. Goodbye. Take care. God bless you all.